Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Highguard and you keep getting this problem, the UI Highguard game has crashed and will close with their fatal error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Highguard easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'm going to show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to make sure that you verify your game's files, so open up your game's platform, right click on Highguard, click properties, go into installed files, click verify integrity of games files, and once that's done, now you're going to click onto browse on here, and then you're going to go to your games directory. I don't have the game installed on my computer, so I'm going to use another game as an example, but you're going to go to your games directory, and then you're going to find your Highguard's exe files. So for example, let's say this is the Highguard's exe file. You're going to right click on it, click properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations, click apply, and then click OK. After that, now when you try to run Highguard, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that fatal error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.